Events. Events is anything that is time specific that happens more than once. That can range from intakes, services, or scheduled background checks. There are three main situations when events are created/needed. To record an event date or action of itself with no contacts involved. 2. To signify an action with an individual contact record. And 3. Where we have to record an action or event that has more than one contact attached to it. These methods will be discussed in separate videos. You can create events in 3 locations on Newell. From the Home tab, the Events tab, and from a Contacts Contact View screen. In each of these cases, you choose the event type you wish to create from the drop-down, and then click the Create New Event button beside it. This will open up the event screen. The event screen has some default fields above the black dividing line no matter what the event type or purpose. The top field named Event is a text field which you can use as a brief note field or title of the event. To the right is the type field displaying what event type it is. To the right of that is a button called Edit. When you click this button, you'll be able to click and drag various event types in an order of your choosing, and then click the Save button when done. As a result, it will reorder all your event type drop-down list to the one that you've selected. The contact field is the primary contact field. This is where you can add the contact or location affiliated to the event. When typing in a name or location, after the 4th character, it will pop up with a white box of possible matches. Once you see the record you want, click on the contact or location and it will populate the field. The event date, the start time and end time are self-explanatory. This is the date of the event and the time of when the event begins and ends. The Remind Me number field gives you the opportunity to be alerted to the upcoming event if you are scheduling an event. The reminder of the event will come up on the Reminders box on your Home tab screen. The number of days you enter in this field before the date you put on the event date field. You have below these fields a description and outcomes box where you can write in notes about or for the event. You have a spell check for both these text boxes. To the right of these, you have the Assign To and Funding Source drop-downs. The Assign To drop-down will have a list of all staff entered to use Newell. It will default to the staff name of the staff member who is creating the event. You can change the name of the Assign To, as you can use this field as either a way to track who created an event or who is performing the event, or both. The Funding Source drop-down gives you the opportunity to link events to revenue streams and organizational funds such as grants. One of the most important fields in the event is the Status drop-down. The choice you make in this drop-down determines if the event is in the future, i.e. pending, or has been done, i.e. complete. Other options can be added such as cancelled by staff, cancelled by client. Void is Newell's equivalent of delete. Statuses of the event needs to be manually updated when the status of that event changes. Access dropdown allows you to have the event go up onto the public new org system, which is the public option. Not displaying the event for other staff to see, i.e. private. To display on all staff's home tab, i.e. all notice. You would select all notice. And to block it going up on the New York web page, you can select all staff. Below the black line you have 3 save options. Save and close saves the event and closes the event screen to return to the previous screen. Save and new saves the event and opens up a new event you can edit. Below this button you have 2 checkboxes that you can choose from to copy the contacts attached to the event and the details of the event. The save button is important as it saves the event and allows for further options for this event. These fields, such as the print button, history button, outlook button, and 3 new tabs, that of contacts, files, and advanced. It also gives you the chance to add further staff names to the event or revenue streams. The Contacts tab at the top is where you can add further context to the event. The File tab is where you can upload any relevant documents to the event, and the Advanced tab has further options in regards to the event displaying on the New Org public web system. Please refer to the next 3 event videos on how to create events in the different circumstances that was described at the beginning of this video.